Starting to promote and executing your virtual summits. You must dedicate the previous month to the promotion of your virtual summit. Your marketing campaign success will be measured based on the number of new email subscribers that you can capture. You must be clear that it is not just about quantity but quality, since based on this, you will get sales. The week before starting your virtual summit is very exciting. All the hard work that you had for several months will finally be complete. The fundamental key to the success of your virtual live summit is organization and staying on the agenda. Participants are annoyed if you start late or forget. Be sure to send participants email links to the pages containing the interviews displayed daily before starting. Be sure to support those who don't receive email for multiple reasons. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way you will receive alerts in your YouTube account and your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email a free internet marketing PDF report every Monday. These reports are concise and easy to read. They will help you quickly understand the information you need to promote your business online. So be sure to subscribe to my mailing list as well. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.